Welcome back, guys. In this class we are going to see some important infrastructure projects on Starknet. I would start with Stargate, which is the official bridge to deposit funds into Starknet from the Ethereum L1, and this makes Stargate one of the Starknet on-ramp options, together with other players such as Orbiter Finance, a cross-layer bridge, Layer Swap, an exchange on ramp, and then we also have Bangsha and Ramp, which are solutions that will help you deposit on Starknet directly from the comfort of your own bank account. Another tool that you will be using a lot on Starknet is a block explorer for analyzing your transactions. For the time being, there are two main block explorers on Starknet. One is Voyager and the other one is Starkscan. Having said that, it's now time to say some words on some ecosystem dashboards that can be of extreme help when you want to make some researches about the Starknet ecosystem and consult some interesting metrics about it. Some of my favorite dashboards are ZK Rollups, Starknet Echo, Dappland, and Starkboard. In the resources, you'll find a YouTube tutorial that I made about Starknet Echo, where you'll learn how to leverage the power of such tools in the best way. Another very important infrastructure field is the one about oracles, that in simple words are a kind of communications gate between on-chain activities and off-chain events. In fact, they bring essential data such as token prices that then plays an essential role in DeFi protocols. For the time being, we have two oracles that are being adopted on Starknet. One is Empiric Network and the other one is Stork Oracle. So guys, this class about Dapp level infrastructure on Starknet is coming to an end. In the next one, we'll talk about the development infrastructure environment, a class that will be very valuable for those programmers that are approaching Starknet and the Cairo programming language. See you in the next class then. Bye!